Namaste ji, namaste. Welcome to Courtroom by TLY. Today we have with us Nabam, who has made it through to NLS. He was a student of our offline classroom program. Anji, कैसा लग रहा है? क्या हो रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है सर.
This is he joined. कब join करा था हमने? September.
Yeah, somewhere around that.
Yeah, batch started in July, so I think he started in September. Let us start with your brief background first. Graduation कहाँ से करी या अभी कर रहे हो? Like what is the scene there?
Graduation मैंने दिल्ली स्कूल ऑफ जर्नलिज्म से किया.
Right.
Yeah, and it's done. It's been 1 year that I've been.
So basically you took a drop.
Yeah, I took a drop.
Right, right. और ये law करने का भूत कहाँ से चढ़ा? And then basically where did you think about this?
Uh, I was just looking for what to do next after graduation.
Right,
So it was first, though it was MA.
right,
But I thought MA is not very useful.
right.
MA करके क्या करूँगा तो.
Perfect.
Then law seemed like something that is like a good option.
And now we are headed towards NLS.
Yeah. Now.
Perfect. Okay. Now I want to make this session useful in the sense कि we want to talk to a younger version of yourself. Go back to the person who you were back then, and let us start out with part A. And Nabam के साथ क्या था? Nabam was one of the very few people who attended classes very, very regularly. I would say he was a very regular face here. And कई लोग बहुत absentation में होते हैं. But any which way. पार्टी के बारे में कहाँ से शुरू करें?
Part A में sir, I would like to first say कि ever since I was little I really like to read.
Right.
Like books, fiction, all those Harry Potter books and all those. So I have been reading since little. So I had a little bit advantage, I think, in part A.
Right.
So
मॉक्स करते टाइम कभी भी ऐसा हुआ था कि एग्जाम पूरा ही नहीं हो पा रहा या समथिंग लाइक दैट?
at first it was like, at first I was taken by surprise by the speed.
Yeah.
By the speed of it and the timing and everything. I was very surprised. But
Right.
then little by little, धीरे धीरे, I got used to it. I got comfortable.
Right. So part A, basically the key point is reading definitely gives you an advantage, है ना? And if you are preparing for LSAT 27, 28 में तो BA honors people will also get a preferential, a 10% cut. So these seats are going to get reduced. But any which way, reading is absolutely a critical skill for this examination. So if you're watching this in May, June, July, whenever in 26, and you are attempting the 27 ka paper, kindly get on to reading, right? Books, editorials, whatever mix match you want to do. Okay. And then what advice do you have for solving those critical reasoning questions?
Critical reasonings, I think you have to be very simple, very precise, to the point, and you have to be aware of the timing.
Right.
And that's it.
टाइम मैनेजमेंट बेसिकली वहाँ पे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Yes.
अच्छा, अब आते हैं द नाइटमेयर, द करंट अफेयर्स.
No, sir, it was not nightmare for me. Because I was preparing for CUET also, no?
Yeah.
You gave us for all those, for CUET.
The Hulk files.
Yeah, for CUET, for NLE. So I gave CUET exam also.
Right.
So in a way, वो सब कर करके ही मतलब करंट अफेयर्स तो निकल ही गए.
के हो गए.
ठीक ठाक हो निकल गया.
हो जाते हैं करंट अफेयर्स. एंड करंट अफेयर्स के अंदर ये वाला सिनारियो रहता है दैट NLSAT, like for example, I'll give you an example. Cockroach Janata Party right now. If NLSAT were taking place in about 2 weeks from now or a month from now, they will ask this party's name.
Yes.
They will ask the founder का name.
Yes.
They will also ask कि cockroach वाला remark किसने दिया था. The answer is CGI. So stuff such as that basically is there. अच्छा, and then we come to part B. Part B में हम शुरुआत से कैसे थे? Like when you wrote the first mock.
At first, I didn't have any structure, to be honest.
Right.
I was just जो उसने पूछा मैंने अपना मन में जो I was going with the flow.
Right.
फिर धीरे धीरे I realized कि ऐसा तो मतलब टाइम नहीं हो पाएगा. मतलब चाहे जितना भी मैं हूँ, मैं जानता हूँ या जो भी हो, बट time without structure, timing, I cannot beat the time without structure.
Right.
So at first I was going with the flow, फिर धीरे धीरे यही कोचिंग पे जो मॉक्स वॉक्स थे प्रैक्टिस कर करके आई गॉट द स्ट्रक्चर.
Right.
और मेम ने भी हेल्प किया. Also, फिर जब स्ट्रक्चर एक बार हो गया तो टाइम को आई कुड बीट द टाइम विद द स्ट्रक्चर कि
Right.
पता है कैसा करना है. ऊपर नीचे काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट एंड फिनिश, ऊपर नीचे काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट फिनिश.
Right.
ऐसा जल्दी फिर हो गया.
Right. And the essay?
Essay, sir, to be honest, I feel like I could have written a better essay in the exam.
Acha.
I don't think I gave my 100% in the
In the essay. Mental fatigue or something, मतलब ज़्यादातर लोग थक जाते हैं तब तक.
I didn't sleep very well also that night ना कि exam
The night before.
हाँ exam को सोच कर.
अच्छा.
I think, but I have some regrets also because of this.
Right.
कि ऐसे और थोड़ा अच्छा लिखता तो I could have gotten a little bit better marks.
हाँ.
और अच्छा कर.
Yeah, a slightly higher range in higher range.
I didn't feel like I gave my 100%. It felt like 80%.
But a seat is a seat any which way. तो वहाँ पर है. अच्छा. How much time do you think, like for example again, when we are talking to the audience, how much time do you think it takes to prepare for this exam?
I don't know, sir. I think that's little bit subjective. If someone is already very good in English,
Right.
then he or she can crack it in 3-4 months also. But some people are not very comfortable with English also. No?
Right.
And this paper is very English based.
Yeah.
So I think preparation is subjective कि आपका language में कितना पकड़ है. If you are little bit weak in English, then I think you need more time than others.
Yeah, around 8 odd months in my experience, मतलब उतना time लग जाता है just to get the English level done. और feedback ले लेके I believe structure तो चलो part B का तो आ गया. यात्रा कैसे रही 1 साल हमारे साथ?
सही था सर.
नबम स्लिपनॉट की टी-शर्ट पहन के आता था और मैंने आई थिंक मुझे याद है मैंने वो ट्रेडमार्क या एक बार कॉपीराइट उसको लेके समझाया था. बट क्या बोलते हैं, क्या रहा और क्या नहीं रहा?
अच्छा था यात्रा. It was good. I don't want to say anything very मतलब अभी मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने, क्योंकि अभी तक वो लेटर आया नहीं ना सर.
हाँ.
कि आपको मिल गया, वो लेटर नहीं आया अभी तक.
राइट. आ जाएगा. नो वरीज.
कुछ भी हो सकता. Anything can happen.
ना नो वरीज. as long as the क्या बोलते हैं, ग्रेजुएशन में कोई बैक तो नहीं है ना. ऑल दैट इज क्लियर.
That is clear.
बस फिर हो गया, काम हो गया. तो वैसे वाला सिनेरियो है.
So,
but this is pretty much fantastic. Anything you would like to add before we wrap this up?
I would like to thank sir and ma'am and everyone in the TLOI family.
Thank you so much that you made it through, that you actually performed in the paper.
And I would also like to congratulate the other students who got selected.
Yeah.
And for the students who didn't get selected, I would also want to tell them to do their best in life. I hope they also, obviously they will do something good.
Right.
They are all very smart and very intelligent.
हमारे बैचमेट इधर उधर कह रहे जी सारे के सारे कहीं ना कहीं पहुंच ही जाएंगे. कुछ ना कुछ कर ही लेना है.
Everybody is very intelligent.
You already know how smart Yash and Kanav and all of these people, that they were. CUT PG में तो they performed well. यहाँ पे they got hammered in part B. I do not know what happened this year, but any which way, you can't really figure it out. That's about it. ठीक है जी. Wishing you folks all the very best with your NLSAT prep, and I think we conclude it here. ठीक है जी. Okay. All the best. Bye.